Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video we are going to be assembling the Christmas Everywhere kit from the Stampin' Up! Christmas kit collection. So this is a great kit that will produce 9 Christmas cards that you can send. So it comes wrapped in the little box, a little brown box like all of our kit collection. You get an ink spot because this one does involve stamping, a clear block, a little stamp set, and then the instructions to make 3 styles of cards. So we're just going to quickly put this kit together. You have your pictorial instructions to help you through, some Stampin' Dimensionals, coordinating envelopes, and 3 card bases in red, 3 in Pretty Peacock, and 3 in that green. So you have some die cut images that we are going to use, some Christmas trees, and then there are also some palm trees and cactuses if that is appropriate for the area for where you're sending your cards. So there's some card layers that go on each of the cards, and here I'm punching out all of the trees and putting the different pieces that go with the different style cards in a stack. It just makes it easier for me when I'm mass producing these and wanting to produce the whole kit at one time and get all those pieces ready. So I'm just following the finished product there on the front, the finished cards, and punching out those trees and the labels for the sentiments. So you'll see you have some extra pieces there that you can use later on. So for this first style card, it's that green base. It looks like Green Apple Green or Parakeet Party. And I am mounting the stamp sentiment that says Merry Christmas. Now the thing with these kits is there are instructions provided with recommended stamped sayings for your cards, but you can change it up to suit your needs. There's also the word happy in this set and warm wishes. So you could say Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, or warm wishes. Here you can see I am stamping the trees on each of these white layers, and there's a little like snowflake star, and I'm putting 2 of those as per the directions. So when you follow the directions exactly, it just makes it very easy to put together. Dimensional adhesive goes on the back of each of these basic white layers that we stamped on, and you put it there on the front of the card. So now I'm going to put dimensional adhesive on the backs of each of the trees that go on the front, and I am using the picture as a guide as to where to place those. So there's the sentiment that says Merry Christmas, and now I've finished all 3 of the cards, and those are ready to go. So the next card has the Pretty Peacock base, and it uses a different stamped tree. So I'm doing 2 of those in Lost Lagoon on each one of these. And I'm calling that Pretty Peacock. It may be Lost Lagoon. It's just, I don't have to worry about the color coordination here because Stampin' Up! Has done all the work for me. And all I have to do is put the stamp and put these cards together, which is what I love about these kits. So in this one, the recommended verse is Happy Christmas, so I went along with that. I know in the UK that Happy Christmas is the saying for the Christmas greeting, but you know, it can work for anywhere. So now I'm folding the card base in half. I've got that white layer that's going to go over top. And I'm going to bring this down a little farther than I did, put it up higher than I did on the green card to make more room for the sentiment at the bottom. Here I've got the trees, and these are so pretty. It's got little red glitter dots on these trees and makes it real sparkly. So there's the Happy Christmas, and then these cards are ready to go. Let's work with the last card with the red base. So again, I have my 3 labels for the sentiment, and I'm using warm wishes, just following the instructions here. And now I'm going to choose the tree that the instructions show and stamp those and the little snowflakes or the little stars on each of those layers. So you can see there are two ways you can ink up your stamp with that little stamping spot. There I have it flat, or you can pick it up, lay your stamp on the table, and ink it up that way. It's just a matter of personal preference. So now there I go. I'm going to put the dimensional adhesive and layer that up. And then put my trees on here. And again, you saw that there were a sheet of die cuts with cactus and palm trees. So if you had someone who celebrated Christmas in a tropical area, you could use that, or in the desert, you could use the cactuses. And there we have 9 cards all ready for Christmas that you can send, and some extras that you can make more cards. So I hope you will check out the kits in the online store. They're underneath the online exclusives. They're easy to put together, and check those out and start crafting and make some great projects for Christmas. I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.